Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing of a new holster. This is a Tenicor Certum 3 for my P365. So before I began unboxing, I was running a C holster with a ulti-clip on it for tucked carry. And while I loved it, the holster was admittedly a little shortcoming considering that I did really enjoy C holsters. There's a lot of wobble in this one. I did try tightening the retention, but the wobble was still there. So it was time to upgrade my holster. So with that, we can begin our Tenicor Certum 3 unboxing. I love about this package that they imprint this very faded Tenicor logo on it. So let's see, what do we have in here? We have our Certum 3 and all of the attachments with it. And inside of the bag is an invoice slip, which we won't review for obvious reasons. We have our camming bars, we have our clips, and of course, we have our Certum 3. Now, one note about this Certum 3 is that I did buy it on the Tenicor, which is all of their blemished models. Let's see, it appears that this is the blem, P365. So we are good to go here. So let me install all of the furniture and I will come back to you and we can see how it fits. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Very quick though. Cool Tenicor holster and of course your Tenicor notice. Basically, no crying here. Once you buy, no cry. Alright everybody, I've installed my T1 clips, and based on my previous experience with my Glock 19 Tenicor Certum 3 holster, I didn't need the camming bar because I of course am not as fat as my brother. And so with that in mind, here is the SIG P365 in the Tenicor holster with no camming bar attached. So, I'm trying on my belt. The belt that I'm running currently at the moment is a core belt. So we'll see how that goes. So here's my core belt. Here is the new Tenicor holster. You can see how it's going to fit on this core belt right here. As you can see, it is a very nice fit. And unlike the C holster, I hear no rattle from this holster whatsoever. And the draw, I adjusted the retention because I do prefer a slightly lighter, looser retention. That's the word. So, here we go. You can hear the retention kicking in. And as you guys can see, this is an excellent holster. I love the clips. They are very sturdy. I have no fear that these are going to move anywhere. They're not going to shift left or right. And overall, I feel that, yes, this is a very large shirt, but this is actually what I do wear. So, as far as draw, my fingers do have enough space to reach in for the pistol grip, which I'm also very satisfied with. So, when comparing this holster, the Tenicor Certum 3 that I got as a Tenicor model, compared to the Cia holster with the Ulti tuck on it, I would say that for most people, the Certum 3 is the definitive holster, especially if you're planning to appendix carry. I appreciate you guys for stopping by this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and test as much as I did. And if you own one, I hope that you also enjoy your Tenicor holster. And if you don't own a Tenicor holster, I strongly suggest you to buy one because these are arguably the best holsters on the market at the moment. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time in a new video.